If glycerin and methyl alcohol are sold at the same price per kg, which would be cheaper for preparing an antifreeze solution for the radiator of an automobile? Delta TF is equal to Kf into M. Here M is the molality. Out of glycerin and methyl alcohol, जिसका delta TF का value ज़्यादा होगा, that will be better for preparing an antifreeze solution. Now value of delta TF depends upon the molality of the solution. और molality की value क्या होती है? Molality is equal to number of moles divided by weight of solvent in kg. Weight of solvent in kg. Now, in case the solvent is same for both glycerin and methyl alcohol, then for the same weight of glycerin and methyl alcohol, suppose हम 100 ग्राम of glycerin लेते हैं और 100 ग्राम of methyl alcohol लेते हैं, तो weight तो same है, number of moles of methyl alcohol will be greater than the number of moles of glycerin. Why? Because molecular weight of glycerin is very high in comparison to the molecular weight of methyl alcohol. Number of moles of glycerin will be equal to 100 divided by molecular weight of glycerin, and number of moles of methyl alcohol होगा 100 divided by molecular weight of methyl alcohol. Now since the molecular weight of glycerin is very high in comparison to molecular weight of methyl alcohol, number of moles of glycerin will be less than number of moles of methyl alcohol. Now number of moles of methyl alcohol is greater, so molality of methyl alcohol will also be greater than glycerin, and since the molality of methyl alcohol is greater than glycerin, the depression in freezing point produced due to methyl alcohol will be greater than the depression in freezing point produced by glycerin. Therefore, methyl alcohol will be cheaper for preparing an antifreeze solution. Moreover, since the number of moles of methyl alcohol is greater than number of moles of glycerin, number of particles in solution of methyl alcohol will be greater than the number of particles of glycerin, as a result of which the depression in freezing point produced by methyl alcohol will be greater than that produced by glycerin.